Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2025 CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2025 CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport with 389 miles runs well. It comes equipped with reverse and has been upgraded with a windscreen, a rear view mirror, and side mirrors. Powered by a 963cc V-twin engine, the ZFORCE puts 90 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 9.6-gallon fuel capacity, the ZFORCE has an 80 to 120-mile range. It seats two and has a 1,400-pound wet weight. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 23/30 seconds, and both rear tires are at 23/30 seconds as well. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This vehicle has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.